Hey credit warriors, welcome to the show, and I'm buying some coins today. And no, it's not Bitcoin, even though we just had the new ProShares Bitcoin Futures ETF launch and Bitcoin is rising nicely, and I am in Bitcoin in a big way, but no, this is something else. I'm gonna be putting $10,000 into another coin, and I'm gonna make my first investment of $5,000 into this coin live on the show. Well, technically it's not live, it's pre-recorded, but you know what I mean. Now I know what you're thinking, is this some YOLO into SHIBA INU or some obscure gaming crypto? Well, I am in a few of those, but only in relatively small sums. No, this is an investment and I have to be able to take out my money in 6 months or so. So this coin cannot lose money in 6 months. I have to protect my capital. So this all started with me looking at my American Express high yield savings account. Graphics guy, can you put the little on high yield? That's better. Because the high yield savings account from American Express is 0.4% APY. Like, how is that high yield? With inflation running at 5.4% in September, if that keeps up for a whole year and I'm at 0.4% yield, I'm actually at negative 5%. Like, thanks, Amex. I think you should stick to credit cards. But if you look through the so-called best savings rates, you won't find much better. We're talking about 0.6%, 0.55, etc. You could go and become a T-Mobile customer and get up to 4% on $3,000 worth of savings with T-Mobile money, but then it goes down to 1% on everything above that, and 4% doesn't even beat inflation. To quote T-Mobile's own ad for T-Mobile money,
"When it comes to banking, the struggle is real."
So yeah, I started looking into alternatives, and it was when I recently cleaned up with a 20x gain on SHIBA INU 5x leverage token on the Hotbit exchange that I noticed something. Now Hotbit is China-based. Didn't China ban crypto? How can they have an exchange based right in Beijing? Couldn't the Communist Party just come and seize your assets at any time? I don't know, but I don't recommend it. I only use small amounts of money in there for these sort of exotic leveraged tokens, but Binance is a great alternative and they have leveraged tokens as well. But anyway, I noticed Hotbit is providing some pretty sky-high interest rates. Like right now, I'm earning over 20% on my AVAX in my investment account with them. But AVAX isn't a stable coin, meaning the value can go up and down with fluctuations in the market. And I was really looking for a crypto asset that would not lose value. And that's what got me looking into Gemini. Now, Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss Brothers, who, if you base your opinion of them from their portrayal in the Facebook movie, they are the epitome of uprightness and honesty.
In the Harvard Student Handbook, which is distributed to each freshman, under the heading Standards of Conduct in the Harvard Community, it says the college expects all students to be honest and forthcoming in their dealings with members in this community.
Well, whether they're really like that, I don't know, and perhaps they're only saying that because Mark Zuckerberg stole their idea. But when you start looking into their company, Gemini, there are some very promising things that stand out for those people who want security in their assets. You see, the Winklevoss Brothers, the Winklevoss Brothers. The Winklevoss Brothers actively support regulation in the crypto markets. Cameron Winklevoss said this in an interview with Bloomberg. "We're playing the long game. We're trying to be the fastest tortoise in the race. The long game pays off over time." While some crypto exchanges don't even serve customers in New York, we have to use a VPN to use their service. Actually, forget I said that. They don't serve customers in New York because of New York's BIT license, which is the most strict crypto regulation in the whole country. However, Gemini is actually based here and it operates as a limited purpose trust, which is one step higher than the BIT license in New York's crypto regulation system. They have a currency called the Gemini Dollar, which ticks a lot of boxes for me in thinking about a cryptocurrency alternative to a savings account. The Gemini Dollar, or GUSD, is pegged 1-to-1 with the US dollar, and every Gemini dollar is backed by $1 US held with State Street Bank and Trust, and FDIC insured up to $250,000 per customer. So it's kind of like pass-through FDIC insurance. The currency itself is not FDIC insured, but the actual dollars backing it up stored in a bank are. Other stable coins like DAI or USDT are not FDIC insured at all. Tether is even being fined for misleading customers that it was fully backed by fiat currency, whereas GUSD is audited on a monthly basis to ensure that there is enough fiat currency backing it up, and what is more, it currently earns 8.05% interest on Gemini Earn. So let's actually buy some. So what you need to do is open up your Gemini account, click on Earn at the bottom, and you will see Gemini Dollars 8.05%, or at least that's the interest rate right now. It may vary in the future. You can transfer a balance if you already have some GUSD in your trading account, but I don't. So I pick Buy New Crypto, and I'm gonna do a one-off trade. And the daily maximum for ACH transfer is $5,000, so that's what I'm gonna put in right now. And you'll notice one caveat here is that you have to wait 4 to 5 days if you want to withdraw your GUSD from Gemini Earn. You then swipe confirm, and boom, there you go. You're earning 8%. And I'll be putting in another $5,000 later this week. Couldn't do the $10,000 today because of the daily limit of $5,000. And I'll be putting in extra money each month. Guys, this video isn't sponsored by Gemini, but if you want to get a Gemini account and do what I did or trade crypto or whatever, you can get $10 in free Bitcoin when you sign up for their services. Link for that is below. Alternatively, you can do the same thing with Gemini Dollars on BlockFi in their interest account, and you actually earn at a slightly higher rate of 8.25% interest, okay? 8.25% APY. You can also get $250 in Bitcoin, or should I say up to $250, depending on how much you deposit in Bitcoin when you sign up for their account as well. So link for that is below too. Please subscribe to our channel. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know how much you're earning on your crypto or in your high yield savings account. I'd love to know, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.